Welcome back to the e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minutes series. Today we're wrapping up the final tier in our Amazon sponsored products advertising strategy, and that's discovery campaigns. These campaigns are crucial for expanding your targeting by uncovering new keywords and product targets that you may not have considered before. Let's break down the key components. First, let's talk about the auto campaigns. These campaigns use Amazon's algorithm to automatically find relevant keywords and product targets based on your listing. It's an excellent way to uncover new converting search terms. You can find these converting terms by accessing the bulk operations spreadsheets in the Amazon Ads dashboard. Whenever you identify a new search term or product target that has led to a conversion in your auto campaigns, make sure to add it to one of your first 4 campaign tiers mentioned in previous videos. Over time, auto campaigns will be the backbone of your keyword and product target discovery, feeding your other campaigns with new and fresh targets. Next, use broad match keywords as part of your discovery campaigns. If you want to keep the targeting a bit more controlled, include modifiers to prevent overly broad search terms. This strategy allows you to cast a wider net while still keeping your targeting relevant and helping you find new converting search terms. Another component is to use expanded search product targeting to target ASINs that are relevant to your product. This feature leverages Amazon's algorithm to find customers who are already showing interest in similar products. It's a powerful way to reach potential buyers you may have missed and are browsing your competitors' products. If your budget permits, consider running sponsored brands campaigns as part of your discovery efforts. These tend to have a higher ACoS since they target top of the funnel shoppers, but they're excellent for raising awareness and can discover new keywords. Remember, it's essential to regularly review the search terms generated by these discovery campaigns. When you find new converting keywords or product targets, integrate them into your protective, offensive, or ranking campaigns to continuously refine and optimize your overall advertising strategy. And that's a wrap on our overview of discovery campaigns. With this, we've covered all 5 tiers of Amazon sponsored products advertising: protective, offensive, ranking, Amazon's choice, and our last one, discovery campaigns. By applying these strategies, you can build a comprehensive ad structure that maximizes both visibility and sales on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching this series, and be sure to subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and leave a thumbs up if you found this helpful.